Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show how to download Windows immediate package of operation Windows. We can customize and easy for download like the Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. Okay, easy. The first step, you go to download one app or one program. Okay, wait a moment. I go to download. Okay, I put link download below the video. Okay, the first you go to download one. Okay, rufus download. Okay, and then you go to find the rufus. Okay, here rufus.ie and you press here, and after we go to find to download the latest version. Okay, rufus 3.17. Okay, finish. Okay, I copy to desktop, easy for so. Okay, I pass here. Okay, and then you open the rufus. You open it. And then we see like this, and then you press here and we choose the download. Okay, download, but it's not yet working. You press again, press download. The first you select, but now you press on here. Okay, now it's running. Wait a moment. Okay, so you see this. Okay, Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7. Okay, easy. Okay, you press example. I want to download this Windows 10, and then okay, and I continue. And then here the release, we can download. Okay, which version that you want to download it. Okay. Okay, now I try one release 2021. This one. Okay, and then I continue. And then here edition. It means that if more here, you choose up to which one do you like. Okay, here's no help, so you choose this one. Okay, and then you will continue. And then here the language. Okay, I choose the English, and then I continue. Wait a moment. Okay, and this here. Okay, 64 or 32 bit. Okay, I choose this one. 64, and then we select here, and then wait. Okay, pop up. So okay, like this, easy. If you have the internet download manager or IDM, you copy this link, add to IDM, faster than here. Okay, no more continue. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that my video can help you. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and share my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.